Hey y'all, here we have the Pennsylvania Golden Pawpaw #1. We've got lots of leaves growing on it. Looking for a lot of good growth out of this tree this year, especially with the deer damage that happened. It did have one bloom on it, but it fell off quickly, which is probably a good thing. It just needs to focus on growing and getting tall and getting strong. But yeah, got some beautiful leaves here. It's looking good, looking real good. Even some leaves coming way down here on the trunk there. So that's the Pennsylvania Golden Pawpaw #1 for the month of April.